Chapter 1. Introduction to Social Norms. Ever pondered why we behave the way we do in different social situations? Why do we shake hands when we meet someone new, or why do we say "bless you" when someone sneezes? Welcome to the fascinating world of social norms. These unwritten rules that guide our behavior in society, often without us even realizing it. Chapter 2. The Asch Conformity Experiments. Let's dive into the case of the Asch Conformity Experiments, conducted in the 1950s. In these experiments, participants were asked to match the length of a line with one of 3 other lines. While the answer was clear, each participant was in a room with several confederates who were instructed to unanimously choose the incorrect line. The results: an astonishing 75% of participants conformed at least once, choosing the obviously incorrect line, simply because everyone else did. This experiment offered a profound insight into how social norms, even those that are blatantly incorrect, can sway individual behavior. Chapter 3. Foot binding in China. Moving on, consider the case of foot binding in China, a painful practice that persisted for over 1,000 years. Young girls had their feet bound to achieve a lotus foot, a symbol of beauty and status. Though physically harmful, this practice was socially accepted and even expected. This example amplifies how societal norms can not only influence behavior, but also perpetuate harmful practices. Chapter 4. Blue Eyes, Brown Eyes exercise. Now let's turn our attention to the intriguing Blue Eyes, Brown Eyes exercise conducted by Jane Elliott in the late 1960s. In this experiment, a class of 3rd graders was divided based on the color of their eyes to teach them about discrimination. The children quickly adopted these norms, treating their classmates differently based on eye color. This exercise, though controversial, demonstrated how quickly societal norms can be established and internalized. Chapter 5. The Impact of Social Norms. In summary, social norms play a pivotal role in shaping our behavior and interactions. From the Asch Conformity Experiments, we learned that individuals often conform to group norms, even when they are clearly incorrect. The foot binding practice in China showed us how societal norms can perpetuate harmful practices. Lastly, Jane Elliott's Blue Eyes, Brown Eyes exercise demonstrated how quickly societal norms can be established and internalized. So next time you find yourself following a social norm, take a moment to ponder why you're doing it. Is it because it's the right thing to do, or is it simply because it's what everyone else is doing? Remember, norms are created by society, and society is created by us. It's in our hands to question, challenge, and ultimately shape the norms that guide our behavior.